Hello everyone, I am Prem and my roll number is 22 I will be discussing on the Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered assistant designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflow across various applications. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that integrates with the Microsoft 365 application to provide contextual support. It leverages OpenAI's GPT model alongside Microsoft robust data security measures to boost efficiency in different productivity tasks. The primary objective of Copilot is to assist in content generation and data analysis. It also help user by summarizing meeting and providing coding support for developers. One of Copilot's major advantages is its seamless integration with Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams, etc. This enables a user to work efficiently across platforms without switching between multiple tools. Let's see the capabilities of Microsoft Copilot. First one is content generation. Copilot helps in drafting emails, reports, and presentation. It provides contextual suggestion to improve writing and enhance productivity. The next one is data analysis. In Excel, Copilot assists in summarizing and visualizing data effectively. It helps in interpret trend and generate insight from complex data set. The next one is meeting assistance. Copilot can summarize meeting held in Microsoft Team. It highlights key discussion and suggests actionable teams. The last one is code assistant. Integrated with the GitHub Copilot, it supports software development by assisting in writing, optimizing code. Thank you.
I'm Pratiksha and my roll number is 22Z246. I shall share some of the features regarding the Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI powered assistant integrated into various Microsoft products designed to enhance the productivity by generating content and providing insights. First feature, integration across Microsoft 365 applications. Firstly, Word. It assists in drafting, summarizing, and refining documents. Secondly, Excel. It aids in data analysis by generating charts, identifying trends, and providing insights based on the data. And next, PowerPoint. It can create presentations by transforming written documents into slides, suggesting layout, and generating speaker notes. Moving on to the Outlook. It helps manage emails by drafting responses, summarizing lengthy email threads. Next, Microsoft Teams. It facilitates meeting preparation by summarizing previous discussion, highlighting action items, and suggesting agenda points. Second feature, advanced AI capabilities, which is the deep reasoning agents, which consists of two agents like researcher and analyst. Researcher utilizes the OpenAI's model to perform the research tasks and integrate third-party data from the sources, while analyst, based on the OpenAI's reasoning model, processes the raw data, runs the Python code, and produces detailed reports, functioning like a skilled data scientist. And the security AI agents support the cybersecurity teams so that they are capable of handling tasks such as the alerts, prioritizing incidents, and monitoring vulnerabilities. Moving on to the third feature, which is the voice and vision enhancement. Copilot Voice. This feature enables real-time voice interaction, allowing users to engage with Copilot through spoken commands. While Copilot Vision, which was introduced in October 2024, it allows the AI to interpret and interact with on-screen content, providing the contextual assistance. Moving on to some of the other features, which is the security and compliance. Data protection is the main one. And moving on to the continuous updates and accessibility, we have some of the key points like regular enhancement, platform availability, and mainly Copilot Pro, which was launched in Jan 2024. It is a subscription service offering priority access to newer models, including GPT-4 Turbo. During peak usage periods, subscribers can create custom Copilot chatbots using the Copilot GPT Builder, access early features through Copilot Labs, and generate higher resolution images with Microsoft Designer's Image Creator. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Pranavji and my roll number is 22Z245. So I'll be discussing on the user interface for Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot has a simple, non-intrusive UI that integrates seamlessly with VS Code, GitHub, and Microsoft 365. It enhances productivity by providing real-time AI assistance without disrupting workflow. Now let's see about the key UI elements. So the first one is input box. So the users enter prompts or partial code. For example, in VS Code, we are typing a function named valid phone number triggers the Copilot to suggest the full function. And the next element is the suggestion panel. So it displays the AI generated code completions or text recommendations. So let's see one example. Here in Word, with the help of the Copilot, we can draft a proposal for the yesterday's notes that we had in the meeting. So the third UI element is inline pop-ups. So in inline pop-ups, the contextual suggestions appear as you type. So for example, while we are writing a JavaScript code, the Copilot predicts the next logical code line. And the next element is the keyboard shortcuts. So the quick commands are provided for better efficiencies. So for example, when we press the Ctrl plus Enter in VS Code, it confirms an AI suggestion. So now let's see about the UI interaction and user experience. The real-time assistance. So the AI suggestions appear instantly as based on the user input. So the interactive feedback, the user can accept, reject, or modify the AI suggestions. In the multi-line completions, the Copilot predicts entire functions or paragraphs instead of just single lines. So for example, in the given Fibonacci function here, when we type the function name, the Copilot will provide the entire function body, and in the text awareness, it understands the coding styles, variable names, and adapts suggestions accordingly. So, for example, here in this image, the frequently named variables, like using a camel case variable, the Copilot suggests the same name that is used in the code. So let's see the strengths and limitations of Microsoft Copilot user interface. So it provides the seamless integration into development environments, and it provides fast and responsive AI generated content. It provides minimalist design to avoid clutter. So the limitations are limited customization is provided in some IDEs, and the occasional irrelevant suggestions require manual review. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Pramodini and my roll number is 22Z244. As a part of our evaluation, I provided Copilot with a classic coding problem. Given an array of integers, return the indices of two numbers that add up to a given target. Copilot immediately generated an optimized solution using a dictionary based approach, which is one of the most efficient ways to solve this problem. Instead of using a brute force method with a nested loop, which would have had a time complexity of O of n square, it generated a hash map solution with an O of n complexity. Let me quickly explain the code. So it iterates through the array while maintaining a dictionary to store the complement of each number and its index. Whenever a complement is found in the dictionary, it returns the indices immediately. This approach ensures that we find the solution in a single pass, making it highly efficient. So this result highlights the effectiveness of Microsoft Copilot in understanding problem statements, generating optimized solutions, and following best coding practices. So it significantly reduces development time and can be a valuable tool for programmers, whether they are beginners or experienced developers. So this test case demonstrates that AI powered coding assistants are no longer just about generating code. They enhance efficiency, improve solution quality, and guide developers towards best practices.
My name is K. Naveen Raghav and my roll number is 22Z242. So I'll be talking about a test case of Microsoft Copilot, that is report summary. This test case evaluates how effectively Copilot can extract key details from a report and present them concisely. So the steps for this test cases are to get input document, that is upload or provide a document to Copilot, then summarization request, a prompt to Copilot to summarize the document in an effective way, then processing. The Copilot extracts the key details, highlights important features, market presence, and competitive products. An output review, evaluate the generated summary based on clarity, accuracy, completeness, and conciseness. but the expected outcome is a well-structured summary that includes key points from the report, important details as the product features, market presence, competitors should be accurately captured. The summary should be concise yet informative, covering essential aspects of the report. So there shouldn't be any false information that is not in the report. So the test case analysis is the strengths are extract key insights effectively. It gives a well structured summary with headings and bold highlights for readability. It provides competitive analysis and improvement suggestions. So the area for improvement in this test case is that it could include more technical specifications, might refine details for better coherence and readability, could incorporate user reviews or industry trends for a broader perspective. So the Microsoft Copilot demonstrates strong summarization abilities, capturing essential data concisely. However, slight refinements could enhance completeness and readability further. So this test case validates Copilot's potential for summarization in research, business, and technical documentation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kirti and I'll be covering other test cases for Copilot. My roll number is 22Z243. In this slide, we will provide an overview of the additional test cases designed to evaluate Copilot's performance, accuracy, and usability across different scenarios. The goal of these tests is to ensure that Copilot is not only providing suggestions but also delivering high quality, efficient, and secure code. First, we test how well Copilot handles syntax across different programming languages, ensuring it provides correct and structured code. Next, we assess Copilot's context awareness, checking whether it offers relevant suggestions based on the previous lines of code. Another crucial test is error detection. We evaluate whether Copilot identifies and corrects logical or syntactical errors in real time. We also examine code efficiency, comparing Copilot's generated code with optimized manual implementations to see if it produces high performance solutions. Security is another key factor. We test whether Copilot suggests secure coding practices and avoids vulnerabilities. Moving on, we analyze how Copilot handles edge cases, evaluating its response to unconventional or extreme inputs. We then test multi-line code generation, verifying the accuracy of generated functions, loops, and class structures. Additionally, we check how well Copilot recommends API calls and library functions, ensuring they align with best practices. Another important test involves adaptability, assessing how well Copilot follows different programming styles, such as object-oriented or functional programming. Finally, we evaluate its ability to generate useful comments and documentation, ensuring code clarity and maintainability. These test cases help provide a comprehensive evaluation of Copilot, ensuring its effectiveness across various real world coding scenarios.
I'm Pratish Mitra, roll number 22Z247. I'll be explaining about architecture of Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot leverages advanced large language models like GPT-4 using deep learning techniques to process text, voice, and images. To ensure real-time data access, it integrates with Microsoft Graph, which connects to Microsoft 365 applications such as Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint. This allows Copilot to retrieve relevant enterprise data and improve contextual awareness. The orchestrion layer plays a critical role by using retrieval augmented generation, combining AI generated responses with live enterprise data to ensure accuracy. This ensures that the responses are relevant and business specific. Lastly, Copilot is deployed on Microsoft Azure, benefiting from AI supercomputing and a multi-tenant architecture that ensures security, scalability, and low latency processing. Integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft Copilot seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365 apps, providing smart drafting and formatting in Word, automated formula generation in Excel, email summarization in Outlook, slide deck automation in PowerPoint, and chat automation in Teams. Additionally, API and extensibility features allow businesses to customize Copilot through Copilot Studio, Power Automate workflows, and third-party API support. Operational workflow.
Now let's look at how Copilot processes a user query. Prompt initiation. A user enters a query into a Microsoft 365 app. Data retrieval and grounding. Copilot refines the input and fetches relevant enterprise data via Microsoft Graph. Response generation. The refined query is processed by the LLM to generate an intelligent response. Response delivery. Finally, the response is presented to the user, enabling informed decision making. With this structured approach, Copilot enhances productivity, automates repetitive tasks, and ensures enterprise specific accuracy.
Hello everyone, I am Aumita. My roll number is 22Z241. I'll be comparing Microsoft Copilot with some of its major competitors, focusing on how each tool meets different user needs and workflows. Starting with ecosystem integration, Microsoft Copilot is built to work smoothly with Microsoft products like Office, GitHub, and Windows. This means if we are already using these tools, Copilot fits right in. In contrast, ChatGPT works as a standalone tool. It is very flexible but doesn't plug into a specific ecosystem. Google Bot, on the other hand, is connected with Google services, which can be a plus if we are using those. Finally, Amazon Code Whisperer works well with AWS and common coding tools, making it ideal for developers. About code assistance, Copilot shines here because it is designed to help developers write and debug code. Through GitHub Copilot, it offers robust code suggestions and even error corrections. ChatGPT can offer code snippets, but it isn't as focused on coding. Google Bard has limited support when it comes to coding help. Meanwhile, Amazon Code Whisperer is made specifically for code generation and fixing errors, which is great for programming tasks. Then, about the document management, Copilot excels in creating and editing documents as it's tightly integrated with Microsoft 365. ChatGPT can generate text, but it isn't optimized for document editing. Googlebot mainly pulls in information and is less effective for hands-on document management, and Amazon Code Whisperer isn't meant for documents at all. Next, about the conversational quality, Microsoft Copilot is set up to give clear work related answers. It helps keep tasks on track with structured responses. ChatGPT is known for its friendly and engaging conversational style, which makes it feel very natural. Google Word also offers good real time responses which are content aware. In contrast, Amazon Code Whisperer focuses mainly on coding questions, so its conversation style is more technical and less casual. Next is enterprise support. Copilot has strong enterprise features with good security built into the system. ChatGPT, while very capable, is more of a general tool and might need extra work to fit enterprise needs. And Googlebot is still growing its enterprise features. Amazon Code Whisperer is best suited for developers in an enterprise coding environment rather than for broader business tasks. Lastly, on the specialization, Copilot is versatile. It helps with coding, document editing, and workflow automation. ChatGPT is a generalist covering a wide range of topics without a specific focus. Googlebot is good at pulling in quick real-time information because of its search integration, and Code Whisperer Amazon is highly specialized for developers, offering in-depth coding help but not much beyond that. Overall, each tool has its strengths. The best choice depends on whether we need a multifunctional tool like Copilot, a conversational generalist like ChatGPT, a search enhanced tool like Googlebot, or a developer focused assistant like Code Whisperer. Thank you.
Adilakan and my roll number is 22Z250. Now I will be discussing other tools that are similar to Microsoft Copilot and how they enhance productivity in various domains. First, we have GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant. It helps developers by suggesting lines of code, detecting errors, and improving efficiency. It works seamlessly with Visual Studio Code. Next, Google Duet AI is a Google's AI assistant integrated into Docs, Sheets, email, and other workspace applications. It helps in writing emails, generating reports, and analyzing spreadsheets. Another well-known tool is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. It is versatile AI that assists with writing, brainstorming, and even generating code snippets. Many developers and writers used it to improve efficiency. Tab 9 for developers working with other programming languages. Tab 9 is a strong alternative. It provides AI-based autocomplete suggestion and high speed up coding tasks. From Amazon, we have AWS Code Whisper, which is specifically designed for cloud development. It integrates well with the AWS service and assists develop in writing secure and optimized code. Jasper AI for marketers and content creators. Jasper AI is a powerful tool. It provides with blog writing and ad copy and social media content, making it go-to AI assistant in digital marketing. Lastly, we have Notation AI, which enhances note taking and project management. It helps summarizing meeting notes, generate to-do list, and organize content efficiently. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Prithwin, 2Z249. I'll be giving the conclusion on the topic Microsoft Copilot. So, just imagine having an assistant that helps you write reports, summarize emails, generate ideas, and automate tedious tasks, all within the tools you already use. That's exactly what Microsoft Copilot brings to the table. It's not just another AI tool, it's designed to work seamlessly within Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, and Teams, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. So, one of the most impressive things about Copilot is how well it performs in content generation. Whether it's drafting emails, creating reports, or even structuring presentations, it saves valuable time and effort. And compared to other AI tools, its deep integration with Microsoft products makes it more intuitive, more productive, and simple to use. But beyond productivity, security is also a top priority. In today's world, businesses need AI solutions that are not only smart but also safe. Microsoft have ensured that Copilot meets enterprise grade security standards, giving businesses the confidence to use AI without worrying about data breaches or compliance issues. At the, at the end of the day, Microsoft Copilot is about working smarter, not harder. It's about reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks so that we can focus on creativity, innovation, and problem solving. AI isn't here to replace us, it's just here to empower us. And with Copilot, we are stepping into the future where technology truly supports the way we work, making our lives easier and our productivity limitless. So, thank you all.